I can't find my glasses and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things?
No problem. What are you looking for?
My laptop. Do you see it?
Yes, your laptop is on the chair.
Where is my book?
Which one?
The dictionary.
It's under the table.
Where is my pencil?
There's a pencil in front of the lamp.
That's not a pencil. That's a pen.
Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cup.
How about my backpack? Do you know where that is?
It's in between the wall and the bed.
Where are my shoes?
They're on the left side of the computer.
I don't see them.
Sorry, I made a mistake. They are on the right side of the TV.
Thanks.
Oh, and here are your glass. They were next to your cell phone.
Excuse me. Check, please. Okay, how was everything? Very nice. Thank you. Would you like this to go? Yes, can you put it in a plastic bag? Sure, no problem. Here you are. That, LLB 250 taka. Do you take credit cards? Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard. Okay, here you are. Thanks. I'll be right back. Here's your receipt. Thank you. You're welcome. Please come again.
Next, please. Hello, how can I help you? I did like to buy a ticket to New York. Would you like one way or round trip? Round trip. When will you be leaving? When does the next plane leave? In about 2 hours. I did like a ticket for that flight, please. First class or economy? Economy. Okay, let me check availability. I am sorry, tickets for that flight are sold out. How about the one after that? Let me see. Yes, that one still has seats available. Would you like me to reserve a seat for you? Yes, please. That'll be $120. Thank you. Here's your change. Michael, can you help me clean things up before we go?
Sure. Where should I put this cup?
Which cup?
The red one.
Put it on top of the table.
How about this fruit?
Oh, that goes in the refrigerator.
And those pencils? What should I do with them?
Bring those upstairs and put them in the bedroom.
How about this pen?
Give it to me. I need to use it.
What do you want me to do with that paper over there?
You can throw that away. I don't need it anymore.
The trash is full.
Alright, then please put it in a bag and take it outside.
Now what?
I think we are finished. Can you please turn off the lights and shut the door?
Sure.
This looks like a nice restaurant.
Yeah, it is. I come here all the time.
Let's sit over there.
Okay.
Can you pass me a menu, please?
Sure. What are you going to have to drink?
I'm going to have a glass of coffee. How about you?
I think I'll have glass of mango juice.
Do you want to order an appetizer first?
Not really, maybe we can just order some bread.
What are you going to have to eat?
I am not sure. I haven't decided yet. Can you recommend something?
Sure, I have had the steak and the lobster before. They are both very good.
I think I'll have the lobster. What are you going to have?
I'm not that hungry. I think I am just going to have a salad.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. When the waitress come back, will you order for me?
Sure, no problem.
Hi Miru, come in.
Wow, your apartment is a mess.
I know, I didn't have time to put things away before you got here.
Look, are those all your clothes on the couch?
Yes.
Are they clean?
Actually, most of them are dirty. I haven't done laundry in a while. I usually wait until I can do it at my parents' house.
My sister and I usually go to the bus down the street. Why don't you go there?
I know I should, but that place is not very convenient. You have to wait for a long time.
Yes, I know. I have to do it very weak. Anyway, are you ready to go?
No, I am not ready yet. I still have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Can you wait for a few minutes?
Okay, but please hurry. I think the restaurant is closing soon.
Tarek, where is the closest ATM?
It's not that far. Do you see that yellow building over there?
The big one or the small one?
The big one.
Yes.
It's right next to it, on the right.
Do you know if there's a convenience store around here?
I don't think there's one around here. The closest one is on 3rd Street, but that's probably closed now.
I really need to get some things before I leave.
Well, you could go down to 6th Street. There are a lot of stores down there that are open 24 hours a day.
Can I take the subway to get there?
Yes, but that'll probably take about half an hour. You should just take a taxi.
Won't that be expensive?
No, from here I think it's only about 300 taka.
Robert, where is Canada?
Canada is north of here.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, look here. Canada is north of the United States.
Oh, I see. Where is Mexico?
Mexico is south of the United States.
How about Connecticut? Where is that?
Connecticut is east of Newark.
What state is west of Pennsylvania?
Ohio.
Okay, where Los Angeles?
Los Angeles is in California. It's southeast of San Francisco.
Where is Boston?
Boston is in the northeast part of the country.
Where is Las Vegas?
Las Vegas is in the southwest. Hi Maria, did you have breakfast yet?
Yes. I ate at the hotel with my son and my husband.
Oh, they have a good food there. What did you have?
I had some salads, fried eggs, and orange juice.
How was it?
The food didn't taste very good, and actually, I don't feel very well now.
That's too bad. Do you want to take a break?
No. I am going to go back to the hotel at lunchtime to lie down.
I am going to the drugstore later. Is there anything I can get for you?
No. That's okay. I think if I rest for a little while, I will feel better.
Sadia, what do you want to do tonight?
I did like to go see a movie.
I heard Titanic is playing at the movie theater.
Oh. I have heard that's a good movie. What time does it start?
6:30 p.m. It's a long movie. I think it lasts for about 3 hours.
Will you come and pick me up?
What time?
I think we should get there early because they might be sold out. Is 5 p.m. okay?
Yes, that will be fine. I will meet you at your house at 5 p.m.
Do you want to get something to eat before the movie?
I am not sure there will be enough time for that. We can have popcorn and hot dogs at the theater if you want.
I don't like the popcorn they have there. I think they put too much salt on it.
Okay then, I will pick you up a little earlier and we can go to the Thai restaurant next to the theater. Is that okay?
Yes. I like that place.